Hey guys, I'm going to show off the UI I've made for the character creator. So to start, we have the orbit, we have zooming in and out, and hot zoom as well. So if we hit H, we can bring up the UI, and we can just add some rain just to change the setting. We can change the lights. We can make it daytime if we want. But anyway, enough with the scene settings. So we can use the UI to randomize the character, and it gives it completely random. Now there is a bug with the eyebrows that'll be fixed, I'm sure, no problem. So we can do male, female, and you can also randomize just the head if you'd like. And you can choose the helm type, so no helm, which is just the hair, and that brings up the hair selection. So if we choose a type with no hair, then it is just a helm selection. If we choose a type with base hair, then we get the helm. I was going to add an option where you can change the hair, but I have to choose only compatible hair types with the helm because some go through the helm. But for now, just base hair does what the City programmed it to do, which is use this one basic hair. And then facial hair, or no facial hair, rather. So you can change the hair with this one, as well as the helm. And so all these options have, you can see, let me just put this in T-pose for the eyebrows. You can change the eyebrows here, you can use the slider, you can use the arrows, you can change the cape. And you can add a backpack if we wanted to, get rid of the cape for that, change the backpack. And obviously it has all the options, so I won't go through them all, but you can see it has everything we need there. The upper arm, and there's a few missing ones yet, but I'm going to get them done pretty soon. So we can change that, and let's just randomize this again. So now another thing we can do is it has the colors, so you can change the skin color, you can change the primary color, change the secondary color, hair color, body art color, which is for the facial markings, so we can change that, and then you can hit spacebar to animate it and to unanimate it, and I guess that's about it for the features. But let me go through some of the code that I did here. So I'll just quit out of this. So I kept it all pretty simple. Everything is in the UI folder. There's the blueprints, which just has the sky sphere, which is I just made one change so I could change it with the UI. Otherwise, it just has the pawn that I used to control going around the character. And then everything for the UI is just done in these four. So there's the UMG scene controller, which just has these options to control the scene settings. Then there's the modular character UI, which has most of the work. And then there's two things: mesh select bar, which is this, and material select bar, which is for the colors. So all it is you put these here, you put one here, you select a type. So like we wanted this to be hips, it automatically changes. I'm just gonna put that back. What did I have that here? And it automatically does everything. And the way it does that is if I go through the mesh select bar, it's a little bit messy right now. I haven't cleaned this up yet, but basically there's an enum that has the value. This is the skin color one. And then it gets basically the value that we want and the array that we want. It gets the length of the array and the value from the modular character, and then it just so it just makes everything really simple.